Welcome! In front of me I have Nokia 8000 4G, and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. First we need to turn off our device. To do it, press and hold the power button right here at the top of our phone. When this menu appears, use the directional pad to scroll down, select the power off option and press the button in the middle right here to confirm. After the phone turns off, we can pick it up and we need to open the back cover right here. To do it, find the latch at the bottom of your phone. It's right here, right above the charging port. Use it to pry open the case. Basically grab it with your finger and slowly pry it open like this, and then carefully unlatch rest of the clips like that. And after some struggle, the case should come off like this. And here we have our phone. Now we need to remove the battery, and to do it, use this latch right here, grab your battery and pry it upwards like that. After some struggle, it should come out. And here we have the SIM card slots and SD card slot. As you can see, we have two SIM card slots, SIM 1 and 2. To insert the SIM card into your phone, we need to basically open the slot, or rather this metal thing first. To do it, you need to move it to the middle of the phone, basically like this. You need to grab it with, for example, your nail and move this metal element. It slides left and right. You need to move it left to the middle of the phone, and then you will be open to open it, or rather you will be able to open it like this. Because if it's locked, basically if it's moved to the right side of the phone, let me lock it like this, you won't be able to open it. So let's slide it to the middle of the phone, to the left like this, and now you can open it. Now let's pick up our SIM card. It's the nano-sized SIM card right here. Place it on the slot. It only fits one way, as you can see. Here we have image how to place it. Basically this cut needs to be right here in this corner. So let's place the SIM card like this. Set it properly. Like that. Then close the flap, and you need to lock it, so you need to move it to the right side of the phone. So take your fingernail, give me a second, like that, and move it to the right like this to lock it. And now the SIM card is locked, as you can see. Now let's insert the SD card. To do it, simply grab your micro SD right here, and to insert it, simply place it like this right here in this latch and slide it till the end like this. Now we can insert our battery back. To do it, grab your battery, find the pins on it. As you can see here, we have the pins on the battery, and you need to match them with the pins on the phone. So grab your battery, match the pins basically like this, and put it in like that. Now we can rotate our phone, turn it on by pressing and holding the power button. You can also put on back the cover, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna show you if it works. So let's wait until the phone turns off, or rather on, my bad, turns on. And as you can see, the SIM card is working because we need to enter the PIN, and also the phone detected the SD card, as you can see. So let's press the right selection button to confirm. And now let's enter the PIN to unlock our SIM card. Oh. Then press the right selection button to confirm. And here we have it. We have a SIM card and SD card. And that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.